guys, welcome back. Welcome to my first video. So, today we're gonna check out these Blippy toys. We have a little Blippy right here. That's so fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. As you know, guys, I'm 5 years old. Okay, that was hard. This is easy. All I have to do is just take. Oh, I got the Blippy. Here, we don't want to play with the Blippy. We want to play with a toy. So let's open it and see what toy we get. Let's see. What is that? Oh, it's a birdie! Okay, let's see what the next one is. Okay. So, we're going to open this. Number. Oh, this is a little, like, I don't even know what this is, but it sure is cute. Here. That's the next one, guys. Oh, number 8. This one's thin. Oh yeah, we already opened that one. Oh, maybe we did. Oh yeah, he's not here. Okay, what is this purple one? Oh, it's number 4. Let's see. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is a dinosaur! There we go, it's a dinosaur. Okay, what else is there? Here, number 2. Oh, it has a little note. Oh, stickers! Whoa, so there's tigers, frogs, one of frogs and mosquitoes. That's fun. What else is there? We'll see what the 7 has. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. Do you like little... Oh my God. Wait, what is this? Is this like... Oh, we got a tiger! Whoa, that's so cute. What else could there be? 8 was empty. Okay. Okay, guys, we opened. Oh, yeah, not all. There's still 3 more to continue. What does this one have? What does number 3 have? Eek. This is gonna be a little tricky. Okay. Let's see. Opening. This one's really hard. This one must be the best one. Okay. What is it? Okay.
Just one packet? Yeah.
Okay, we're opening it. Oh, it's a little frog. You like it, guys? Yeah. So, we only have 2 more left. Number 1 is like the number 1, you know. Let's see what I have. Oh. Oh, look at this little elephant, guys. The last one, number 6. Please be something inside you. Please be something. Okay. So, let's open it up. We got a monkey! Yay! So that's the end of this video. Make sure to leave a like if you want to see a part 2 to this video. You guys click that subscribe button. Bye, guys. Wait, you think I was just going to end off the video here? There's way more than what meets the eye. So, let's open. I was going to open this. Oh, it's a little hard to open. It's hard to open, guys. I'm just 5. Okay, I could open this. Maybe I'll just pause the video and I will just find some scissors. Okay, guys. There we go. Here is it. And there it is. Oh, Bobby wants to go to the Mountain of Hearts. Tiger wants to go. So who would go and take the lead? Who is taking the lead? No fear, no hope, no fear. Tiger will take the lead. He's the king. Why don't we just go in? They tried and traveled, but then they hit a force field. Oh my God, how are we going to get past this, Tiger? I have some big scissors. I can cut through the force field. Okay. We'll get in the force field. Look at that. Okay. We'll head in the thing. They were walking and walking. There was a big, huge force field. We had to cut through it again. They could not. They tried to punch and cut through it. Them trying and trying to get through it. Oh, they could not. But the only thing the tiger had was a lucky jewel. You could only make one wish to it and it'll come true. They wanted to have food. They didn't wish to break the force field. They just wanted food. So they tried to wish for it. They got food. They ate it. And they traveled and traveled, tried to hit it they wished for a candy cane, so they made the weapon and tried to poke through it. It didn't work. They were trying to get through it. But the booty had an idea. She caught it. They were cutting in with Birdie and Birdie. They finally made it past the force field. But it's till they reached another force field that can never be broke. They were trying that way they did, and they were wishing with what all the tigers had with the other one, but it didn't work. So they were so angry, but the monkeys are smarter than crocodiles. Things in the water. They have the big force field. The monkey had an idea. He grabbed one of Tiger's wish jewels, and he wished that we broke the force field, and it will come true. It will come true. So when Monkey tried really hard to break it, he did! But just when he tried, it was breaking and breaking and breaking. There was a real force field that was alive. A real life force field.
Say what?
There was a real life force field, and they would not believe it. Monkey didn't know how to get through that, but then just Monkey realized if they all worked together with Tiger's wish jewels, they could make out of it. So what they did is threw over all the wish jewels, and they wanted to. They wished to break the force field. So they were all getting the scissors. They would get the wish jewels. They made the candy cane and the bottle. They were poking it and just scissoring it. And finally, they ripped the pot out. But then they ripped all of it out. All of it out. And then as they did it, they got to the wand of the thing. Do you know Monkey helped them? So do you know who took the lead? Monkey. Because he knew what to do. So then they went all the way home. The end. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the part 2 to this video. Wait. We can't leave the Blippy. What are we guys doing? So what we do, Blippy found his toys. He found his animals. He knew what they did. So Tiger didn't take the lead anymore. Monkey took the lead, and then they carried the top of the mountain part of field. Heart of the field. And then they marched all the way. Then there was no way. Blippy was gone. Blippy was gone. So there was no way they would find their way home without Blippy. So what happened to it? Mystery. Who is the mystery pet that can find the way home? Who is it? Who did we leave out as a mystery pet? Guys? The mystery koala! Let me get it. The koala was flying through the air, landing. Blippy was gone. Who would take the lead? Who would not? And who would? Who would? Who would take the lead? They wouldn't find their way home. Mr. Koala, no fear. Mr. Koala say, I'm here to take it. I'm gonna take it from here, everybody. So all of you will follow me. So what we need to do, I will bring Blippy back with my only wish jewel. I wish that Blippy will be back. So then it came true. Blippy was there. So then they were marching with the mountain. But this time they figured out the heart of the mountain was bad luck. It was bad luck, but it was so shiny and rare. No one wanted it, but they didn't want to give it away. They said, please keep it, please keep it. So what Blippy did, kept it, but cut it in half a little. He cut it in half a little bit. That way they can't hold it without getting bad luck. So they were holding it like that. But then, as they wanted to touch it a little because they were naughty, they touched it. And then Blippy was gone again. Blippy was gone. So then they had to go. Let's see. Somebody shoot him. So he was no way to be found. So what happened? They were swimming underwater, and they saw a narwhal.
Narwhals swimming in the ocean, causing a commotion, 'cause they are so awesome. Narwhals swimming in the ocean, pretty big and pretty wide, beat a polar bear in a fight.
And then as they swam in, they saw an X in the ocean that they figured out there's in treasure. So they dig and dug and dug, was a lucky heart of the sea. But when they just took it, you guys won't believe what happened. A shark came. He was about to eat them, but what happened? He got scared of the tiger and the monkey. So the tiger tell the monkey the secret plan. They wish that they killed the shark. And they said, you suck.
Say what? You suck.
And then they shooted him away. And then they got Blippy back. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see a part 2 to this video, you guys need to click that subscribe button. I liked about this toy that it had a tiger that was a king, but no lion. So I'll get a lion in the next part 2. Bye guys.